was sat here earlier wanting to just check some calibration figures again, and I've used all of the special black paper that comes with the machine, so I'm just trying to think of another way, what else I could use. So I've just put some kitchen foil down on the bed and just taped it in place, and I've just got a square 70mm square programmed in, and what I've done, I've just set the laser down to a speed of 10, and it will mark this sufficiently to so you can measure it. Actually, I also noticed on a test run I did, it actually cut through this aluminium foil in just in one section. I guess it must have just had the focal point just spot on. But let's just burn that and have another look. So hopefully you can see that line being created. It's got to be absolutely flat, otherwise it won't work. But so that's actually enough to get in there and measure it. Hopefully you can see the line. It's a bit awkward with the lights. Hopefully you can see down there, across. So if you have run out of the card, or that black paper, you could actually do this. I can get the ruler in there and just measure that. So yeah, 70mm square that's supposed to be, and you can measure the diagonals if you want to check the geometry is bang on. But yeah, I just thought it was worth mentioning that. So just silver foil, doesn't matter which side up it goes, but you're going to have to drop the burn speed right the way down. So this is just a sample piece of Nappa leather, and I've just grabbed one of my Christmas decoration vectors. Actually it's an image, it's not a vector, it's an image. I've just shrunk it right the way down and just put the settings on 400, and just seeing what that will do on the surface. It's just taking the colour out, but what isn't happening is the rest of the image as far as I can tell. So I don't really know what's going on there. That one snowflake has come out. But if you look here, oops, so it's done this one, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything else. So I don't know why that is. Actually, these are different colours. I wonder if they've been assigned. No, they're not individual items. So yeah, I don't really know what's going on there. If we come back here, it's not really doing very much else. But it happily did that one snowflake. So I guess that proves that we can just do a nice pattern onto a wallet or a flask with a leather covering. I have absolutely no idea what it's doing at the moment. But, oops. Focus, come on. I don't know what that's up to. I'm going to leave it running, but I don't think it's going to do the rest. And it's actually just starting to do something there, which is just a tiny little mark actually. Can't see what that is on the screen, it almost looks like a dog shape. And that's it finished, so that's what we've got on the screen. Don't know what that is, that little image, and that's what it's actually done, so a bit of work to do on that, but at least we can do that on the leather. Okay, so back with this piece of leather again. Tried various speeds to do the text, and you get down to a lower speed, and it actually gets worse, as that one there shows. It just sort of vaporizes the surface, and yeah, I really can't get a good impression with text like that. So not sure why. Bit of research to do. Not that I'll be doing much leather, but I just wanted to run a few tests. I think it actually shows up better on the camera than it actually is to the eye. Yeah, I've done various power tests and speed. Oh, sorry, not power, just speeds. But yeah, still couldn't get to that sort of level.